Hello, General.
That's it?
Is that the General, yeah? General.
That's General.
What is his name?
Osha.
General Osha. Can I ask you a question, General? So what's the letter entails today? What are you here for today?
We are here to come and talk to...
Yeah.
We are here to come and
I just got a question. Yeah, I've got a question.
Go ahead.
Yeah, what is it? What are you here for today?
We're here under the self-determination right.
Yeah.
You know, and the reason why we're being asked to do this under our leader is because the Yorubas are people that have been around for thousands of years.
Yeah.
Self-determination that we're asking for is so that we can exit Nigeria peacefully. So we're having a march today.
So you're part of Nigeria?
Yeah, we're part of Nigeria. The Yoruba that have been around in Nigeria for 13,000 years.
Yeah.
They want everybody to go back.
I believe this is their leader. He's going over to hand over a letter. He probably will be going to the Prime Minister to hand over a letter, I think.